In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Stripe account and link it with Woocommerce. This process is crucial for anyone looking to efficiently manage online payments through their Woocommerce store. Let's start by diving into each step to make sure we get everything set up correctly. First off, head over to WordPress.com, a great place to build and manage your website. Once you're on the home page, spot that familiar login button and give it a click. You'll need your credentials handy to access your account, so make sure to have those ready. Once logged in, it's time to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This central hub gives you access to everything you need to manage your site. You should see Woocommerce nestled there among other options, your go-to plugin for e-commerce management. Click on Woocommerce to get started with integrating it with Stripe. With Woocommerce open, direct your attention to the Settings section. You'll find this under the Woocommerce Options menu. Over in Settings, focus your sights on the Payments tab. This section is dedicated to configuring how you receive payments on your online store. It's where we're going to fine-tune your payment gateway setup. In the Payments section, you'll see a variety of options. Browse until you find Other Payment Options. These are all the potential methods you can use to accept payments from your customers. Among these, you'll likely spot Stripe. Stripe is a powerful choice for online payments, known for its user-friendly interface and robust features. Click on Stripe to begin the linking process. By choosing Stripe, you're opting for a straightforward, efficient way to manage transactions on your site. If you don't yet have a Stripe account, don't worry. The integration part often includes prompts to set one up. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by Stripe. Typically, this involves giving some basic business information and verifying your identity for security purposes. After you've set up your Stripe account, or if you already have one, ensure that it's connected properly to your Woocommerce store. This will involve entering your Stripe API keys into the provided fields. These keys act like a secure link between your Woocommerce store and your Stripe account. It's crucial to copy them accurately from your Stripe dashboard to avoid any connectivity issues. Once all these steps are complete and everything is connected, take a moment to review your setup. Ensure that your payment gateway is active and ready for use, so customers can start making transactions without any hassle. Remember, a seamless checkout process can significantly boost customer satisfaction and sales. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of setting up and linking your Woocommerce store with Stripe. This integration will undoubtedly enhance your e-commerce capabilities, providing a smooth and secure experience for you and your customers. Happy selling!